This is Cedarcrest Hospital. My name is Elijah. I want to describe unto us today the use of the hoist. The hoist is a lifting device and it is used to lift very heavy patients from the bed to the chair, from the bed to the wheelchair to go to the bathroom or to go outside the hospital. It helps to make lifting heavy patients seamless without stress, and we don't have any reports of anybody hurting their back in the process of lifting this patient. The lifting device is such that it can be moved close to the patient's bed. When the patient is anchored and is sitting astride the hoist, it helps to take the patient up, just the way we are looking at it now, and then we can also bring it down to bring the patient down to enter the wheelchair. As soon as the patient is anchored on the supports of the hoist, it takes the patient up and out of the bed onto the chair. It brings the patient down to the chair safely without any injury to the patient and without any stress for the nurse as well. And this lifting device is such that it works so seamlessly that the patient is comfortable. We're taking the patient up now so that he can go back to his bed.